I'm chronically late to my Zoom meetings. I could just set an alarm. It would be so easy. Set an alarm, got Google Calendar on my phone, bing, wake up, go to class.
So easy.
But what if I could skip a couple steps? What if my computer did it all for me and I could be laying in my bed and wake up to the great alarm clock of my lab members starting the meeting?
Hey, we're about to get started, everybody. Does anyone know where Sam is?
Yep, I'm here. I broke the project down into 4 separate steps that I'm going to work on. First step, at a given time, join a meeting. Step 2, I want to connect to a Zoom client. Step 2 is already complete because I'm just going to use the Zoom invitation meeting URL thing. And so that leaves step 3, which is open my Zoom meeting. And then step 4, join audio. Right now, I have to click join audio every time I join a Zoom meeting, so I'm going to figure that one out first. By the way, all the instructions for this project are going to be in the description of the video, and then I'm going to get working on step 4. Let's see, I'm going to make a Zoom meeting right now. Zoom, new meeting. You know, I don't even realize this, but if you go really close, you can see a checkbox right there that says automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. That's my solution. It was been in front of me the whole time. I'm not gonna realize that though. And then join with computer audio. Can I join with computer audio? Can I just set that in my Zoom settings? Can I say, I don't want to click that. I always want to join with computer audio. Oh, all right, here we go. Reopen Zoom, settings, audio. These settings are old. Oh, right here, yeah. Automatically join audio by computer. And mute my microphone. It's probably best. On to step 3. I know I can open up URLs using the web browser Python library, but there are a couple other things I need to take care of before I can check this one off. If I get my invitation, copy the link to that. And so when I enter that in,
at that moment, some came to a realization.
Oh, and so what I can do is I can always allow Northeastern to open links in this associated app, so it's not going to tell me that. Gosh, there's so much stuff I just never messed around with. All my classes and meetings have the northeastern.zoom.us, so it's going to automatically send me into the Zoom meeting. I don't need to click any link in Chrome now. I don't know why I never did that. I've been going to Zoom University since September.
And now, all the young man has remaining is to write the Python script.
I found this library called Scheduler. I just literally Googled what I wanted to do, and so we have this thing called schedule. Pip install schedule.
After many minutes and one internet outage.
Successful. All right, and that's really all I needed internet for, that last step. Okay, literally just copy this, save that.
Here we observe the young programmer complete his task.
Okay, so when the clock hits 12:31, we should join if everything goes to plan.
Observe the hope flashing in his eyes.
Yeah. Hi, Sam. Okay. So it actually works. This is a montage of me not being late to any of my classes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. 1 week in, using the Zoom automation script, and it is perfect. I don't know why I didn't program this 5 months ago when I was taking classes. It would have been so helpful. Let's go. Oh, it's so nice. And like the Friday lab right here, this is opening my complex networks course, but the Friday lab, I didn't film that because I was sleeping. It was literally exactly the use case, and then all of a sudden I hear my lab members talking. I quick throw on close, join the lab meeting. I should have done this months ago, but finally got around to it, and I'm super happy I did. It's really convenient to use. It saved me a couple times from missing my classes, and I'm just happy to have it. So, quick reminder, if you want to make this for yourself, all the code and the instructions are in the description of this video. And thanks for watching.